go. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Takealot, and today we'll be unboxing my Takealot order. So without wasting any time, let's get right into the video. So before we get right into the video, please don't forget to like, comment, share this video with whoever, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So yeah. So guys, this is a Lenovo laptop. I think I got it for 8,500. So yeah, let's see. The thing is,
this one is giving it. It's giving those vibes, man. What do you want those vibes? It's giving them shame. Let's see what's in the other boxes. So yeah, let's unbox what's in the other boxes. Let's unpack. So yeah, this is the adapter for that notepad. Let's unbox. Okay, you're starting with the big box. Okay, I see you. Not that way. Shouldn't open it like that. But it's fine. It's fine. Keep watching. Let's roll. box showing me flames, but yeah, at least it finally opened. Okay, let's see what's in the other boxes. In the other box, so I got a tripod. Yeah, I got a tripod. It is even like keep outside the box. Yeah, that's the tripod. I don't know if I should mention the prices, but I'm not care. I don't know why, but I'm not mentioning the prices. Yeah, this is a tripod. So since I bought a tripod, this means that more vlogs are coming. I'll try to be consistent, guys, but yeah, more vlogs are coming your way. The streets are calling my name. More vlogs coming. It's nice, eh? It's nice. It's convenient, I guess. We'll see. Let's hope it doesn't break, cause wow. But yeah, let's go create content. Content. More vlogs coming your way. Let's see what else is in that box. I got two nail polishes, a blue one and a purple one. Yeah, I think I'll upload the images on my Insta once the pictures will be on my Insta. And I also got an iPhone adapter because wow. Yeah, and we're not mentioning the prices. This is my 15,000 Takealot order. Let's unbox my 15,000. Let's keep unboxing my 15,000 Takealot order. And I also bought this thing. Smith Raymond on Instagram recommended that we should use that product. So yeah, I also got some color pens. Bought more stationery basically because wow, ziyakhala phakwa academics ziyawa. Let's see if it's working, okay? Cause wow, one thing about these people, is it working? Yeah, I think it's working. Yeah, it is working because yeah, it's working. Let's see what else. Yeah, that's the sunscreen. These things, guys, this is not what I ordered. No, Takealot. No. This is not what I ordered. This thing is, let's not make sure this one's gay. But so teeny, okay? Mali abantu. So teeny. Yeah, that's the end of box 2. Let's see box 3. What's in box 3? Open! Yeah, I see. This is how you should open it. Not the way you open the second box, but we are not there. Are we there? No, we're not. What's open? What's in there? Books. So I bought more books because why? Ziyakhala phakwa academics ziyawa. Like ziyakhala, like yo, send money. I'm not okay. This is not what I ordered, chill. But it's fine, I'll be there. You're not there. Basically, this is my 15,000 Takealot order. Yeah. If you want the price, you can DM me and I'll screenshot it. But I'll tell you everything. and I'll tell you Uguti, how much did I get each product. If you want the prices, yeah. And yeah, man, this is basically what I got from Takealot.
So guys, this is why I'll be closing out this video. Thank you for watching till the end. Don't forget to like, comment, share this video with whoever, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.